Alright, Assalamu alaykum. Feeling way better today, subhanAllah. Yeah, as I said, I just wanna, before it's gonna start to rain, just really wanna share with you something. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording this video because I hate recording when it's raining and when I'm outside. Okay, as you can see, the weather is kind of cloudy, right? And there's like little drops of water. It starts to rain and you can feel it. It's not raining yet and you can feel it, you know? It's cloudy, it's windy. There's like little drops of water starting to come out. You know, you can feel it. It's kind of wet. You know, it's getting wet. And what I wanted to say is kind of like with, you know, the success in life, you know? It's not gonna happen immediately. Well, sometimes if you're living in tropics, it can start to rain immediately, but it's just gonna shock you. You're not gonna be prepared for it, right? Right now, I'm getting prepared mentally and physically. I'm just gonna cover myself with this jacket, inshallah. What I wanted to say, you know, you're doing this right things, right? You know, this right things, what I call right things is making these YouTube videos every day. Maybe you are doing, but if you're not, go ahead, start to make content online, brother. Especially on YouTube, because long form, brother, this thing will never die. Short, I don't know, but long, never. And you know, you are DMing people, you are reading books, you are training every day, you are learning languages, you are making content, you are learning high value skills. And the problem is that you are not being able to find clients. I'm, you know, talking about this from, you know, getting out of myself. You know, I'm doing all these right things, but not being able to find a web design client yet. I don't have a clients for like a couple of days. What I mean couple of days, like a couple of months. I'm DMing people every day and making these videos, and you know, I'm doing this right things. You know, I know how to code, and I'm still upgrading my skills. I'm still developing. I'm still refining my mind, not stopping where I have come so far. And bro, like, not being able to find clients, right? But you are doing this right things. And guess what? Like, I can guarantee you it will rain today. I can guarantee you. Oh my god. I can guarantee you it will rain today. And if you're not gonna die before you're gonna become a millionaire, you know, I believe just 100%, like 10 out of 10, bro. You and I both, if we are in the right way, you know, right path, why? Like, it is gonna happen, man. Like, don't doubt yourself, man. I wish I could have had this motivation, not motivation, but this mindset every day. To, you know, sometimes they will come to you and say that this is worthless, like, you know, just do something else, you know, change your marketing strategy. But the thing is, I'm using everything out of, you know, marketing myself for free, you know, DMing people, like letting people know about your stuff, right? And if you will let as many people as you can know about your stuff, I believe some of them will eventually become customers. Some of them are gonna pay attention, and some of them who are gonna pay attention are gonna become customers. Peace out. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I didn't figure out a lot of things yet. For example, what am I gonna do if I'm gonna skip one day, for example, like it happened yesterday. So this time I decided to, you know what, yes, it's gonna look weird, but I have to, you know, the solution which I have come up with is to make 2 videos in a single day, one in the morning and one close to midnight. Yeah, so right now I think it's day 123. Day 123. Well, I think this, yesterday there was a separate video, uh, to a certain degree at the same time, because we did a lot of things. We really changed a lot. We really moved and, developed, alhamdulillah, and that's insane. Well, the problem is it, or, I don't know if it's a problem, but you can't see a lot of it, right? I can't document and film every single meeting I'm having, and even if I'm gonna do, the language is not English, and like, it's a little complicated story, right? I, with this videos, with this vlogs, I'm sharing, I think what is the most, funny or important, which is the results to a certain degree, right? Sometimes I film the journey, like for example, I filmed myself having a meeting with my first client, and even if this journey was without a result, it still was a journey, right? Yeah, yesterday, May 4th of 2024, we DM'd and messaged to, I think, how many? Okay, let me. And the most progress, of course, is going on right now with my startups. Like I I can't say hired, but I started working with two guys, my friends, and it's just blew my mind how fast we are moving right now, honestly. Just, I used to, like, I don't know, for those who are not programmers, it's gonna be a little complicated story to understand. But we are building two startups right now, right? Two startups at the same time. And I mean, okay, whatever. 4th of May, for those who don't want to listen, here is the results. Okay. Yeah, we DM'd to 30 people out of 30. We were planning to. And as you can see, as you could have saw if you paused the video, we didn't vlog. Like there is like DM, apply for 100 companies to work as a programmer, DM people to get a web design client, and then there is a vlog, goal, or whatever, goal, target, you name it. I didn't make that, and sorry. Well, what happened, I just fall asleep at like 10 p.m. or something. 10 p.m. Yeah, looks like I was really exhausted. Because, to fall asleep at 10 p.m. is just then wake up the next day. Yeah. And it wasn't something I kind of, really, was, I really wanted, like, I just planning to do. I just accidentally fall asleep on, I read my last prayer of the day, which is Isha, and after reading Isha, I just fall asleep on my praying mat, or at least close to my praying mat. Yeah. Yeah. We did really good progress with my second startup because it's easier or simpler, you can name. We went to the gym, we read Quran, the translation of it. We, we learned how to code. I mean, how to say that? We made our programming classes, right? We are learning a valuable skill, which is programming, and I watched one lesson. Yeah. So, programming classes, I took them. I worked on my startup, at least the second one. That's why maybe we made more progress here. We read the Quran, we DM'd people, We applied, at least found the emails of the founders or human resource HRs working in that company. We didn't message them yet. I just found their emails and pasted them in a Google Sheet. We went to the gym. So 6 things, man. I mean, this day really deserved its own how to say that, vlog or something. And probably the first part of this video was recorded on that day, so you can say that I was planning to make a video. It's just, shit happens, things go wrong, like you fall asleep, it wasn't in my control, right? Yeah. I think I'm gonna record a video today also about, May 5th. Yeah, we have a lot of things to do. Two startups, man. I'm really excited, inshallah. Peace.